So what we did is combining different type of sensors using the LSL framework. This framework allows us to synchronize all the devices in a network. So the first sensor that we integrate into this framework is the ergonomic sensor. So we can measure using this device the forces that are applied on this plate and then send this data into the network to other computers. Then we also added the Xsense sensor to the mobile setup. So the Xsense sensor is an IMU sensor that we place on our body to measure the motion of every body part, and that is also integrated into a Unity module that shows an avatar online in real time, and also ground reaction forces. So those ground reaction forces are measured from the Moticon insole. So the Moticon insole allows us to find the forces that are applied from the foot into the shoe. So we add this data into LSL, and we also can show graphical plots of this measurement, and then export those data in CSV format or others. We also are currently adding the Cometa system, so the EMG sensors that are from this system. So EMG allows us to find the muscle activity of the user, and from that we can find other type of interesting measurement like workload and so on. And then what is also interesting is to integrate O2 consumption, so oxygen consumption, using the VO2 master. So the VO2 master here that we have is also already integrated, but we will add it into our framework later into LSL. And then all those measurements are combined into one Unity module, one graphical output, and in the future we'll add more and more sensors.
So in the future, if you want to assess ergonomics, you know where to find us. Just send us an email to augmentix@vub.be and we will be happy to help you.